There's no one out there, you goofball. It's just the rain. You're not gonna watch the rain with me? Okay. You're not gonna watch the rain with me? Earlier there was like this big thunder that came around and it scared Bella. So she started growling. Okay, you. So then she started growling, then she started barking. And here we are now. Making her little sounds. So cute. Look at all this rain. Look at the wind. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Look at it go. Look at it go, Bella. Come here. Come see the rain. Look at it go, right? Yeah, look at it go. I feel bad for the kids that are at school. Probably have to stay in for a little bit. Uh-oh, here comes some thunder. I saw some lightning. Oh yeah, now it's coming. Now it's coming down. I just woke up from a nap, and we heard some thunder, and then rain started pouring in, and then the wind came in. Ain't that right, Bella? Ain't that right? It's crazy. It's crazy out there. It's crazy out there already. Makes me want to put my car out there, put it on the drive-through, or maybe on the street. I don't know. Well, maybe the driveway, and then the car can have a nice shower, like that car is having right now, pulling out of that house. Goodbye. Let's go to the backyard. We have now moved to the backyard, and this one wants to go outside. You're not gonna go outside, Bella. It's pouring out there. I don't know if you guys can see the rain, but no, you probably can't. Just take my word from it, okay? I don't want my neighbors getting a little sus on why I have my phone like up against the window. Oh, I saw some lightning. I saw some lightning. Like I saw it like over there or something. I don't know. Girl, I know you want to go outside, but not right now, okay? Not right now. Don't give me that look. Look at the fence.